Hello everyone, it's Friday and I thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on with both the project truck and also show you some stuff that I have been buying and receiving over the last couple of days. First of all, let's have a look at the truck. This is what it looks like right now. Started on the interior. Speaker box is in place. I've started to work on the electronics. A more close-up look at the electronics. Like I have the Servonaut M20 Plus. Have my receiver here. I made this breakout board. The Servonaut SM3 and the Air 4. It's underneath here. You can see this is. I'll show you. Here you can see the infrared LED for transmitting wireless to the trailer.